All right, we're about to listen to Mana Leo new album.
I don't wanna say too much about it, thinking.
What's up, y'all? Okay, first of all, I found my car stand, and now I can vlog a little bit in the car. Are y'all happy for me? I am actually on my way to, and you know, I actually like when it's rainy outside and my sunroof is like back like this. Also, another reason why I really like it like that, my baby girl swiped ice cream across the roof of the car, and she did it twice, and I never got it clean, so it's just like a dark, like, little yellow circle. And even if I try to wipe it out, like I've tried to wipe it and it don't work. The first time she did it, I just didn't notice it. I was like, damn. Yeah, I didn't notice it. The decorations right here are so freaking cute. I want to take a picture. It's so freaking cute, y'all. Watch when y'all see this. Hold on, like Nikki be saying. Okay, so I was gonna go to Dutch Bros and get a coffee, but I think I'm just gonna go home and make me a coffee. Okay. What's up, y'all? I was in here cleaning off my vanity. My baby girl, I think she's catching a cold. Good thing that I have medicine on deck, but I might end up having to go back and get something like, I feel like Theraflu. Okay, so now you saw yesterday, y'all, that I bought these. My vanity is not bad, like where I need to wipe it down. Not bad. That's a good smell for the holiday. Well, look how shiny it is again. To take the tag off. So this is going to be my new perfume tray. And I'm also going to sit this in there too. A little Halloween vibe. My little potion. And I'll keep my skincare there because I don't have any more room. I need to clean out my self-care drawer. My self-care cabinets. That's kind of cute, huh, y'all? My little tray. I think I like this tray. The only thing is the gold. I thought that I would like it a lot, but of course the hardware in my room like is more silver. But I still like this tray. You know what? It can sit like this. And I can put this back there. Let's see how we like it. Does that look kind of odd for it to be sitting like this off to the side? When I thrifted this, oh my God, it is so heavy. That's how you know it's like a real, like OG, authentic, like antique style mirror. Look at it. I just love it so much. One of my favorite pieces that I've thrifted. Yeah, I guess I could keep it right there. I don't know. I might find new stuff. But for now, maybe I can paint this pink. But for now, that don't look too bad. You know, I did want to put more of perfumes in here, but I kind of like it with more of my few little like affordable ones, some skincare that sits there. I like that. But I'm still not sure of that setup. But over here, I like this little setup. I like that one. Now, these some old faux flowers that I've been needing to change because it is fall. So I need to get that together. But I love these. I got this from Ross. I got this from Discount DD's for 99 cents, okay? This is a little raggedy little Burlington curling iron. And then the cord has turned like a little color, so I'll be very careful with it. But, you know, this is cute. I showed you guys this. I got this from Temu. But I just got all of my, like, facial products, lip scrubs, and then like facial tools. Forgot about this. I need to remember this more. A little roller, you turn it on, it like vibrates. So I think this looks pretty cute over here for now. This little cute little pinky pink vibe over here is very cute. But my other one is a little darker pink over here. So I kind of feel like I should put this over here. I think I could do some different little setup right here. Hold on, let me see. I don't know if I like that. Well, this is not really supposed to be there. I remember when I used to do my first videos, I used to film from over here. okay? I used to have a little plastic, like, it was kind of big though. It came to like right here and over here. And it was full of makeup, like all affordable stuff that I just started investing in to do makeup video. And I had a little chair. I forgot, it was like a little, it was a little like raggedy, rinkety chair, fold up. And I used to sit right here and do all my makeup. I forgot about my DKNY Driftwood and Sweet Tobacco Scented Candle. And I bought this from, I believe, Ross. What's up, y'all? Okay. Just dropped the girls off to school. And y'all, yesterday, this is what I was talking about. Y'all see that? I really don't like my roof back, to tell you the truth. I didn't do a lot yesterday, you guys, so I decided to fold over yesterday's vlog to today. They be going slow, child. I don't want to road rage, but good Lord. Should I go to Walgreens? Yeah, I'll just go to Walgreens. Anyway, now they give you the cards in Walgreens now. You don't have to put your phone number in. Okay, I'm back. I ended up getting this Kiss Power Flex. It comes out pink nail glue. This is from a brand called Pink Dot. I got at Discount DD's. I've been trying to look for these little pink ribbons to match this. But I'm thinking about just putting the black ones on there. Let's just see how the black ones look. Hold the hell on. I was just on TikTok, right? This as Kim's new Skims ad. These are like brand new. They're like a thong and they have faux hair on, basically on the thong. Called the Ultimate Bush. And she got them in different colors too, y'all. She got it in red hair, black. She even have it in a white down here and then some brown and red. Girl, she must be stopped. This one just had to mess up. Tighten it. Let's bring this one. Do not look bad with white, pink, and then the black bows. I got a package. I'm gonna be showing y'all this tomorrow in a sit-down video. And then I'm going to also holds on. Yeah. Y'all can sit right here. What's this cute little shirt? This shirt, the problem is I want to wear all black, and that is not what I should be wearing all the time. Put that up there. Plus, let me give you a peek at something that I'm going to show y'all. But the only thing is I'm hecka mad because I'm going to have makeup on when I do the video. But look. This is how cold it feel right now. But I'm like, this is so freaking cute to wear. When I show y'all these gloves, sorry y'all really can't see my face because I keep bending down getting stuff. When I show y'all my cute accessories video, y'all gonna say, oh my god. You're gonna be like, girl, give me that. Okay, those are some. I thought this was really cute. I'm just showing to y'all right quick. Like, I thought this was really cute. Did I get it from Shein or Ross? Anyway, I need to make me some breakfast. I told y'all my baby girl was gonna do her Oreo Halloween castle. Look at it. That's what I'm talking about. I'm about to take a piece of it in a minute. Decoration at the bottom. This is cute. And it's actually, this is Oreo, huh? Give you Oreos in there to like crunch up on there and stuff. It's cute. And it's a fountain. And then a moon. And a little spider down there. A little mini cookie Oreo spider. Very cute. Very cute little castle. Tea for my baby girl. She not feeling good. And then I made me a little mocha iced coffee drink. Yeah. This is black citrus and ginger peach turmeric.
Baby, I adore you. Ain't no way before you. If bad things befall you, I'll be there to hold you. I'll be. I'ma speak my mind. Look, way before you. I just need to verbalize what I'm feeling. No need to wait things up. I'm steady. I'm steady. Baby, I adore you. Ain't no way before you. If bad things befall you, I'll be there to hold you. Let me be real honest. I don't mean to overwhelm you, baby. I just need you to.
Okay, tried on a lippy as I was cleaning. This is Anastasia lip stain. It's definitely came out a long time ago. I did all of that the first time. That was my first clean out. This is my second one. I have lots of lip glosses, especially nudes. I have that what I just did. Next is going to be all of this stuff, okay? It needs to be for part 3. We'll do this. Yo, why my baby girl went downstairs and made some shrimp nachos? Oh, I ain't even gonna take a lot from her. I'm just gonna dib and dab. Yeah. Me and my baby girl, we just had only, we did a healthy little dinner. Broccoli and shrimp. Yep. Really, really good. Mona Leo. All right, we're about to listen to Mona Leo's new album.